Let us know about the kani or tapi used at the construction site. Here our worker is using old equipment for mixing or seasoning, which is a wrong method. The trainer's attention is drawn towards the worker making the mixture. Now the trainer explains to the laborer how to use the right trowel. Water isn't mixing properly. Neither are you using wrong trowel. You are using the wrong trowel. Don't mix water with a pointing trowel. Take this one. Okay, keep that. Okay, water will mix well with this. Here our trainer has explained the right way to the laborer. So what is the correct way to do the mixing? Pointing spoon is to be used for pouring the dry mixture into the mixing container. Using the same pointing trowel, slowly add water to the dry mixture so that proper consistency can be achieved. Use a small or margin trowel to ensure proper mixing. The worker is now ready to apply the mixture to the bricks in the correct manner. Stop. There is much more to learn. The worker now applies the mixture to the block surfaces of the bricks. The worker ensures an even layer of mix, leaving enough room for joining. Then the worker places the blocks on the mix, pressing gently to secure the joining. Let us find out what you learned through question and answer. First question. What problem did the worker face while mixing the mixture in the beginning? A. Lack of water. B. Inadequate equipment. C. Wrong type of bricks. D. Inappropriate instructions. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Which trowel is used to pour the dry ingredients into the bowl? A. Small spoon. B. Brick trowel. C. Pointing spoon. D. Plastering trowel. The correct answer is B. Question 3. Which new equipment was introduced to apply the mix to the wall, reduce material spoilage, and improve the brick-making process? A. Brick-shaped equipment. B. Brick trowel. C. Small or margin trowel. D. Mason kani. The correct answer is A. Question 4. Which equipment is used to level the bricks accurately? A. Aluminum bar. B. Brick-like equipment. C. Water pipe. D. Flat level. The correct answer is D. Question 5. What did you learn from this video? A. Correct method of mixing the mixture. B. Correct equipment used for mixing mixture. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Thank you for watching the video.